for the word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money this week. Joining me right now is Baltic Capital Markets Chief Strategist Kathryn Rooney Vera. Great to see everybody this Monday morning. Kathryn, we will get clarity on the tax proposals this week. President Biden will detail his new tax proposals. We're expecting during his first speech to a joint session of Congress this Wednesday. The president plans to raise the capital gains all the way up to the highest earner rate at 39.6%. You add in the Obamacare surcharge, that takes you to 43.4% on capital gains tax, a rate that the Wall Street Journal is calling the dumbest tax increase yet. Larry Lindsey saying that you're not even getting the revenue that you want in that kind of a tax rate. So it's sort of a punishment to the wealth. Your thoughts on the impact of that tax should it go through?
Sure, that tax is going to have a major bite, especially in combination with the increase in corporate taxes. That is bound to happen, if not to 20 to 25%, all to happen likely through the process of reconciliation by the end of the summer, for which the Democrats need just a full 51-person simple majority in the Senate. So that's likely to happen. We're going to see an increase in corporate taxes, an increase in the top marginal tax rate on the wealthy, as well as cap gains, not to mention the death tax. So we have a lot of taxes in the offing. And as Mike said, this is a phenomenal year, but it's a phenomenal year in great part because last year was so horrific. So yes, earnings are 30% higher year over year. Second quarter, they're going to be phenomenal as well. Economic growth is going to be spectacular because last year we were shut down. So the real bite of these taxes, Maria, is going to be felt next year. And this is a massive disincentive both to private investment and to the investment in the capital markets. This is what we least need right now, and it's clearly a redistribution of wealth, which is what this administration is a major proponent of, not to mention what we call modern monetary theory, MMT, which is, I think, so detrimental to the economy. In terms of investment strategy, there are ways to play this, Maria, and this is something I've been telling our clients for some time. Must have a barbell strategy. Things are looking very rosy this year. That's not something that we expect to remain. Be defensive, buy inflation puts, buy alternatives, which are venture capital, private equity, commodities, buy green energy. Almost half of the infrastructure bill goes to green energy and Medicaid expansion. So those are attractive entry points right now. And then go into tips and gold and consumer staples, which I think are cheap enough now to warrant a second look at investment by investors in 2021, preparing for a rollover, I think, in expectations and in economic growth going into 2022, particularly due to the nasty bite of this huge tax hike on wealth generation.
Kathryn Rooney Vera, great to see you all this Monday morning. Thank you so much.